Hello, today Isete Villegas and Erika Martins will present an open source software in professional practice in IT, on MySQL Workbench open source. What is MySQL Workbench? MySQL Workbench, an open source software solution, offers a range of specialized functionalities and tools tailored for database architects, developers, administrators, DBAs. Its expansive capabilities make it a perfect fit for integrating into the IT infrastructure of hospitality companies. Benefits of incorporating open source software. Cost effective. MySQL, being open source, offers a budget-friendly option for a small and medium-sized business with limited resources for expensive proprietary database software. It can be freely downloaded, used, and distributed, making it a cost-effective choice. High performance. MySQL is renowned for its exceptional performance scalability, making it ideal for applications that demand fast data processing and retrieval. It supports multiple storage engines, including the popular InnoDB engine, which enhance performance and reliability. Ease of use. MySQL is relatively easy to install, configure, and use compared to other database management systems. It features a user-friendly interface and supports various programming languages like PHP, Python, and Java, simplifying development tasks. Flexibility. MySQL offers high flexibility, allowing customization to meet specific application and business requirements. It supports diverse platforms and operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac iOS. Security. MySQL incorporates robust security factors to safeguard against unauthorized access. It supports SSL, TLS, encryption, password policies, and access control. Additionally, it boasts a reliable user authentication and authorization system. Large community. MySQL benefits from a vibrant community of developers and users who contribute to its development, provide support, and share knowledge and resources. This active community ensures constant improvement and adaptation to the evolved needs of business and organization. Scalable. MySQL excels in scalability for relational database management system, allowing business to expand and accommodate growing data volumes effectively. Reliable, which regularly releases patches and dedicated developer community. MySQL is known for its reliability. It ensures that the system remains robust and stable for consistent performance. Overall, MySQL stands as a reliable, cost-effective, and flexibility database management system that empowers business and organization for all sizes to effectively handle their data. What is SLA? The main purpose of SLAs includes setting clear expectations, measuring performance, ensuring quality, resolving disputes, enhancing customer satisfaction, and driving continuous improvement. Setting expectations. SLA establishes clear expectations between service provider and customer, ensuring a shared understanding of service delivery requirements. Having a well-defined SLA in place promotes transparency and accountability, performance measurement and monitoring. SLAs involve defining object performance metrics such as response time, uptime, resolution time, availability, and customer satisfaction. These metrics enable customers to access whether the service provides meets agreed open targets and holds them accountable for their performance. Quality assurance. SLAs ensure that services delivered by the provider consistently meet the desired level of quality. They outline minimum acceptable service standards, including reliability, security, and responsiveness. By specifying these requirements in the SLA, customers can ensure that business needs are adequately addressed.
SLAs provide a mechanism for involving disputes or issues that may arise during the service delivery. In the case the service provider fails to meet the agreed upon service level, the SLA can specify the remedies or penalties that will be applied. This helps resolve conflicts and ensure both parties understand the consequences of failing to meet the SLA commitments. The customer satisfaction is provided through SLAs as they ensure the services provided align with the customer's expectations, boosting the customer's confidence and strengthens the customer-provider relationship. The continuous improvement can be done by regularly reviewing and revising the SLA. In summary, SLAs established clear expectations, define performance metrics, measure and monitor service performance, ensure quality, resolve disputes, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive continuous improvement. By having a well-defined SLA, the service provider and the customer can effectively manage the service relationship and ensure that the services meet the desired standard and requirements. The service level agreement that has been designed for this project has the following points. Number 1, agreement overview. This section states the company and the service that is going to be provided. 2, goals and objectives. 3, stakeholders. 4, periodic review of the document. 5, in the service agreement is where the service scope, customer requirements, service provider requirements, and service assumptions are shown in detail. Finally, in the service management, the service availability and service requests are stated. The IT governance framework chosen for this work is the ISO IEC 38500, an international standard that provides guiding principles for the effective, efficient, and acceptable use of information technology within organizations, from the smallest to the largest. It can be used to audit the resource and risk management practices of a company while incorporating an open source software such as MySQL, Workbench. Meanwhile, the ISO IEC 38503 provides guidance on how to assess the governance of IT founded on the principles, definitions, and model for the governance of IT outlined in the ISO previously defined. To implement this standard, the following steps have been taken. Firstly, recognizing the context. Before the implementation of ISO, there has been an evaluation of the needs of the HR department, such as a better management of employees' details by organizing them in a relational database, as well as some potential constraints, for instance, a budget limitation, technical expertise, and data migration, among others. Then, defining roles and responsibilities, which are already established in the SLAs, assessing risks. And one of the most important risks identified was the data security, along with system availability and user adoption. The policies and procedures that have been taken in account are related to data backup, access control, and system monitoring, as well as user training. Lastly, there have been established metrics for evaluating the success of the implementation of MySQL in the HR department. Those are user satisfaction, system uptime, and data security. In conclusion, integrating MySQL Workbench into this hospitality company, particularly within the human resources department, offers numerous benefits and advancements to its database management capabilities. MySQL has a great popularity and adoption across various industries that emphasize its reliability and effectiveness. It also reduces costs associated with expensive proprietary software, offers a wide range of features, and promotes collaboration and innovation through community contributions. However, it is necessary to follow service level agreements and IT governance frameworks. Compliance with the SLAs guarantees a reliable and uninterrupted database services, and the ISO can ensure that the integration is conducted in a controlled and regulated manner, promoting compliance, risk management, and efficient resource allocation, allowing a smooth integration. Overall, by implementing this OSS, the company can optimize its IT infrastructure and drive growth in the highly competitive hospitality.
This is the reference that we use in our presentation. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy our presentation.